In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy a subscription in Suno AI. So let's get started. So first of all, go here into their website, log in into your account, and just click here on credits under your profile name. Click here and click on Upgrade to Pro. Now, you will be prompted into the pricing plan. In here, you want to navigate and make sure that you have the correct currency in here so that you will not get confused. And now, before you select any plan, make sure that you select either monthly or yearly. If you'd want to save as much as possible and get a 20% base discount, you want to go for yearly if it's okay for you to pay a yearly billing or pay it all upfront. You can go for monthly but with increased price or the standard pricing in here. So I'm just going to go for yearly, for example. And now we have the free plan, pro plan, and premier plan to choose from. You want to go for a free plan if you would want just casual use and the creations can't be used commercially. So if you're fine with that, go with free plan. It's absolutely fine. You get low credits, which is only daily, which is 10 songs. And you have the pro plan. So this plan unlocks the advanced V5 model with 2500 monthly credits and includes commercial rights, advanced settings, stamps, and priority features for serious creators. And we have the Premier plan as the last one. So you gain access to all of the features here in Suno. And it's designed for studios or agencies needing high volume output and full commercial rights. Let's say we're just going to go with a pro plan, click here subscribe, and then we will now be taken into the checkout page. And from here, you can see the summary. You can add a promotion code if you have one, or basically a coupon code. Once done, provide your payment information, click on subscribe, and once the payment goes through, you have now successfully purchased a subscription on Suno AI, and that's how you can buy Suno AI subscription.